Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We'd love to make you a happy customer. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.